Welcome to CallScriptor Synergy. Synergy can be logged into via username and password or via AD authorization as per the user account on the PC. Logging into CallScriptor takes you to the landing page. This is customizable. An agent, for example, may wish to land directly on the agent desktop. A script editor or an admin may wish to land on one of the other modules. This can be defined via the yellow icon top right set as homepage. The agent desktop holds a list of scripts available to the agent as well as predefined external websites that can be viewed within the desktop module. The agent desktop also holds the agent messaging. This is where agents can read messages that have been sent or, depending upon permission level, compose a message to other agents. Messages can be contextual. You can embed hyperlinks, images, as well as videos, or, if required, edit the source code of the email directly. Messages can be set to expire, require read confirmation, and can be sent to either everybody, groups of agents, or specific users. The agent desktop also holds the toolbar provider. This is a telephony integration where the agent will log into the organization's telephony itself. Other modules within CallScriptor include campaigns and campaign connectors. All scripts have to be linked to a campaign, or campaign connectors can be used to link scripts to external campaigns held within the telephony dialer. The script editor module holds page templates, script history, scripts, and style sheets. Script history allows you to see what has happened to any script on the system, the user that has made the edit, the IP address of their machine, and when exactly the edit was done. We also have style sheets. Style sheets can be applied to a script and applied to every page of that script. Finally, within scripts, we have the module itself for building scripts. Scripts are listed by customer and then by version. To edit a script, we click the edit link. Editing scripts is easy and accessible. We have a range of predefined controls that can be used to build up the script itself. Controls on a page can be edited via a double click, or again using the edit icon. This, for example, is a text label control. Text labels are written like you would write a Word document. You can change the font family, the font size, the alignment, colors, bold, italic, underline, as well as being able to embed hyperlinks, images, and videos. Once again, you can edit the source code if required. However, use of these controls does the HTML tagging in the background. We have easy access to variables, be they system variables or custom variables, as well as options. Examples of other controls are things like our table control to display external data source easily and without the need for significant SQL knowledge. Building these controls onto a page allows the script builder to easily and quickly build up a script. Images are simply uploaded. Text labels can be copied and pasted. And the page structure is defined here on the left. You're able to preview this script from within the editor module, or if you're happy with it, publish it directly into the live environment. Other modules include application settings, controls, plugins, services, system attributes, toolbar providers, as well as users, groups, and licenses. Users, groups, and licenses is where an admin can set certain access levels. Users can be added. They can be added to groups, and then they can be assigned licenses. This again is fully customizable, allowing you to create users with different levels of access dependent upon their job roles. Users can be set to have passwords, as well as setting application settings for things like language, homepage, as well as time zone. Finally, we will look at an example of controls within the script. This script has been designed to show you a series of controls as well as some of the functionality within CallScriptor Synergy. Format and validation demonstrates some of the various inputs and how they interact with the data entered into the boxes. For example, first names and last names are personal nouns, therefore should be capitalized. Setting this within the background, CallScriptor dynamically changes the information, knowing that that needs to be a capital T and not a lowercase. The same with a last name. Email addresses are also checked to ensure that they meet the requirements of an email address. It will not allow you to continue should you enter just none. As you can see, we have set these fields to be compulsory. Therefore, because they're blank, the system denies the agent access to the next page. We have to fill in the information. Other types of input are address blocks, selection lists, multi-tick lists, drop-downs, words, Our integrated email allows you to create emails based on script information that you can send internally or externally. Again, these can be set to edit within the script itself, or this can be locked to read only, allowing the predefined only style. CallScriptor can also handle complicated business logic. For example, we're here checking someone's age. The question being, are you over or under 18? If they're under 18, CallScriptor is going to deny us to continue and shows us a message to say that the caller is under 18, we are not allowed to continue. Should the caller be over 18, we get a message to say that we are able to continue with the call. Controls within the script can also dynamically change the information displayed to the agent. For example, here we see a green convertible, but perhaps we want blue, or red, or yellow. So these controls can interact with the background of the script, allowing you to make your script contextual. This is another example of business logic and dynamic calculations. For example, if the bill came to 20, we would say an average service is a £2 tip. Excellent is a £4 tip. And as you see, this is defined by the amount that we put in the bill amount box. This is an example of charity donations. Donation value of £20, donation frequency, and donation value. So we're going to increase by 20% a one-off donation shows theirs being £24, but we want to increase that to monthly. As you can see, the information changes and the values have been updated. This allows the script to handle complex calculations on behalf of the agent, removing errors. This is an example of our database lookup. We have made these fields searchable so you can search for a particular piece of information. We can then use that information and pull it forward, mapping it into the script. We are also able to pass parameters into external websites. For example, CallScriptor is based in Ipswich. And as you see, it jumps us straight to Ipswich. We can also use CallScriptor in side-by-side mode, displaying the script on the left and an external website on the right. We can also change this information with click of customizable buttons. We also have integrations with things like Google Calendar. Here we can see it in side-by-side mode or embedded within an iframe. And that is CallScriptor Synergy and a high-level overview of some of the functions and features available.